Hey guys, what's going on? And today in this video it's going to be a lot different than normal. In this video we're going to be pranking my mum with this insane freaking popper high tone air horn. I'm not going to do it now because she's watching a movie, but I'm going to call her up. I'm going to call her up and yeah, let's see how this goes down. I want this to be my biggest ever viewed video and liked video. So if you do enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Okay guys, let's get to it. Hold up. Wait. Oh, your face! Your
Oh, my ears. It scared me. I don't know about it.
She was like, huh? I'm putting that slow-mo. I need to see if I got it.